Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. Today I am going to tell you about the physical adaptation sources of language, which are the basic and major sources of physical adaptation and using the language. As we know, the larynx, pharynx, tongue, mouth, teeth, alveolar ridge, etc. We discuss it shortly. Like unlike human beings, no other species can use language because other animals have a very different physiology than human beings. Modern human beings have vocal tract for speaking. Human mouth is small, which makes it easier to open and close for fast speech production. Human teeth are in upright position and are regular in size, which allows us to produce sounds such as fa sound and va sound. It means F and V produce fa sound and va sound. Human mouth has a complicated muscle system which allows us to produce various vowels. Our tongue can move backward, forwards, up and down. This allows us to produce various speech sounds. In fact, without these speech organs, human beings could not have spoken. In addition to these changes, human brains has gone through a number of changes. It became much bigger and specialized for language. Researchers have claimed that human beings adapted all these physiological changes throughout their history, and these changes caused the emergence of human language. Hope so you will got this lecture, the physical adaptation sources of language. Inshallah, we will meet in next video. Okay, Allah Hafiz.